Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front grille on a W460 G Wagon. My particular model is a 1990 300 GD. So as you can see, I've already removed it, but obviously I'm going to be putting it back on, and it is exact reverse, exact way in reverse. You do have these squirty things connected each side by a pipe, which runs down to here. Firstly, remove these screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Should just be a little Phillips screw with a washer. Then remove these bolts here. There's just 2 there and there. Okay, don't be confused with those bolts behind. You don't actually have to put a spanner on them. They literally come out and they are this big. I think it's 10mm, not all the way. And then it gives you a bit of wriggle room, and then I'll go back and tighten them all up. That was a quick video, so thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more videos on the W460 300 GD G Wagon. If you've got any questions, just put in the comments and I'm sure I can help.